So here I have a spreadsheet of sample sales information, different data that's been generated by AI, sales information. So a few rows in there, and I have a PowerPoint template for my quarterly sales and 3 placeholder slides here. And then I have Theta Assist where I've uploaded the spreadsheet and the PowerPoint template, and I'm going to ask it to generate some charts and put them into my PowerPoint template. I've told it in the system prompt to use the Seaborn theme for the charts, which is quite a nice like pastel style theme pack for charts. So now it's written all the code to extract all the information, create the charts, and then generate the images. And now it's going to update the PowerPoint presentation and hopefully give me a download link. If I just wait for it to finish up, then I should be able to click the link. Open the file. That's my template, but for my other window is the generated file here. So there's my sales by month, my top products, profit and revenue, and the total sales payment method.